Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning. I'm out here on the Milwaukee River. You guys know it's that time of the year to do some Milwaukee River smallmouth fishing. You guys already know that this channel first started off as smallmouth Milwaukee River fishing. I hope the water is high. The last couple of days was really shallow, so I'm praying that it's high. I'm praying that smallmouths are here. We're gonna have a good time. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet hit that subscribe button, we're approaching the dam, and I'll see you guys out in the water. I'm excited. Oh yeah, the water is up. Yeah, kind of. Holy junk. Alright. We're starting off with Get Bit Baits 2. Right there. Best river smallie bait out there. Get Bit Baits 2. We'll leave all the link down below. We'll get on this tree here. Be a lot better. Got one. Little guy. Yeah, dude. I don't like where I'm standing though. It'd be impossible to land a big one. Let's go reposition. Little guy. Yeah, those are just suckers. Hitting my line like crazy. Ooh! Broke me off. Wow. Alright, so since I broke off, this is what I'm using today. Using some Get Bit Baits 2. Stick it in here, and you're pretty much good to go. Easy as that. Catch tons of fish. That's a big fish. That's a big smallie. That's a big smallie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing's huge. Oh, let's go. Oh, was I recording? Yes. That's a big smallie. Look at that, guys. Let's go get a DSLR real quick. This is what we come for. Nice, classic river smallmouth. Look at that right there. That is insane. Use a giant tank. Oh my god, I feel so awesome. Fall like a champ too. Go ahead and get a release. Off you go, buddy. Boom! Let's go! First Milwaukee smallie. All I'm doing is I'm swimming this tube, right, with the current. I know it's kind of loud here, but I'm swimming it. Oh, I actually got one. I actually got one. What the heck? It's another big one. Oh, not as big, but still. I didn't feel them on. There you go, little guy. Release. I didn't even know he was on. That's what's so good about this tube here. When they bite it, they hang on, man, even if it looks like that. It's crazy. Alright guys, let's move a little bit. We got a lot of water to cover, and a lot of these like calmer area looks great. So let's give that a shot. It's really muddy out too. I don't know why I didn't bring my boots. Well, that's smart. Let's just go over here. A lot of stuff gets washed up and blown onto shore here. Kind of disgusting. You just never know what you're gonna find. But we're gonna go to like a little open spot. We're just gonna cast around, cover a lot of water. It should be around here somewhere. Yeah, I should have brought my boots. I didn't think the water was this high. Oh, here looks good, right? No, it's okay. Yeah, let's go right here. Again, bury the hook just like that. That way you can slow pop it across stuff. Make sure drag is good. Man, there's a lot of, oh my god, a lot of suckers out here. What the hell? There's tons of them. She got one. It's not that big, but still good fish. There we go. Little guy. I knew they're over there somewhere. Fatty fish too. Beautiful fish. See ya, dude. He's eating good too. Fat. Nope. Alright, let's go to the dam. I'm sure they're over there. They're not back here. It's always like that. Either they're over here by the laydowns and the hidden pockets, or they're right by the dam, just hanging out there. Got him. That's a nice smallie. Oh my gosh. That's a real nice smallie. Dude, that's a tank. It's even bigger than the one before. Holy cow. That's a nice smallie right there. No, I don't think it's as big, but it's close. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. Turn on the DSLR real quick. Nice. Another giant fat smallie. Holy cow, look at that. Let's eat that too. Just a beautiful fat smallie. Eating so good. Holy cow, man. Boom, that's two, baby. Oh, she got a fish. Oh, she got a smallie. Nice. Stuck on the rock and popped off and grabbed it. Smallmouth. Well guys, it's not over yet. I'm gonna head back to the car. I'm gonna go to a different spot, only because like the sun is like beaming at that pool right there, and I don't think the smallies are there. So stick around, we're not done yet, and I'll see you guys on the water. I might have to put waders on, so we'll see how it goes. That's a nice smallie. That's a real nice smallie. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Look at him go. Holy cow. There we go, guys. That's a nice smallie. Yep, I knew they were here. Oh, look at that beast. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful fish. That's crazy. Look at that fish. Amazing colors. Off it goes. Back to this area where it belongs. Alright guys, so just made back into my garage here, and yeah, it's a quick session. I had a great time. Water was just still way too fast. Tons of suckers and buffaloes and carps and whatever's in there. So I didn't want to waste time fishing the other spots at all. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and thank you guys all very much for helping me get to 8,000 subscribers. Until then, I'll see you guys